I'm pursuing ITI.
Hi, I'm Srishti. I am pursuing ADVFX here at Mac Karumba.
मैंने अपनी सिस्टर को 3D करके देखा था, तो जब उसने रिजल्ट निकलता था ना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था, तो उससे मुझे क्रेज हुआ कि हाँ मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ करना है, इसलिए मैंने मैक ज्वाइन किया।
So, after being into the industry for almost 6-7 years now, I wanted to enter into my own venture, and I was very fascinated with the designing part and the communications part, as I was a communication professional myself. So that definitely did come into that I should learn everything from the basics, and hence I'm here at Mac.
फैकल्टी के साथ मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है। यहाँ के सारे फैकल्टी बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं और सपोर्टिव हैं और बच्चों को न्यू एक्टिविटी में पार्ट लेने के लिए बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं।
So yes, the faculties have been amazing. It has been an amazing experience to be here with them. They make sure that you are taught well, and even give you time to make sure that all your doubts are clear at the very end of the day, that you go home satisfied.
मैंने 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम किया है, एक 100 आवर्स और DFM। दोनों में मेरी मेमोरी बहुत अच्छी थी और मुझे बहुत मज़े आए दोनों में काम करके, और मेरी स्किल भी इन्हांस हुई और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला उससे।
So yeah, I think with her that the 24 FPS that we have recently participated in, the going on field again does create more memories wherein you meet people and you have very cherishable moments that you enjoy, doing projects while being on ground. So definitely those are some of the aha moments I can say that I had while being at Mac Karumba.
मैं प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात करूँ तो अभी मैं DFM में मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया है और मैं आगे भी पार्टिसिपेट करती रहूँगी, जिससे मेरी स्किल इन्हांस हो और मेरे करियर में भी वो हेल्प करे।
What about you?
Yeah, so exactly she is talking about the competitions, which is basically 24 FPS, or the internal competitions that keep happening here, that actually make the students go through a lot of different engaging activities which will be helpful in their future prospects. So definitely that is one of the things that I also enjoyed. We are in fact in the same team doing documentary with the other students here. So definitely these extracurricular apart from the courses definitely help you in different ways.
हाँ जी, मैं बिल्कुल रिकमेंड करूँगी ताकि बाकियों का भी करियर या मैथ में आगे बेहतर अच्छा बन सके।
Sure, definitely. I did come onto Mac Karolbagh specifically after doing a lot of research with other centers as well. And I'm happy that I took that choice. Not that initially because it was close to my place, but now I feel that it is more. The staff is really good. The staff is very engaging, and they make you comfortable, and they help you with different skills. I've seen the other students being helped with job vacancies which are there, and they make sure that every student gets the time, even from the management, let's say from the admins or from the faculties, to whatever they require to excel into.